Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at the Zlrc Sg107, which is a low-cost drone that comes in 3 versions. The one that I have here is the 1080p HD with Wi-Fi and Optical Flow, but there is a 4K Wi-Fi and a 4K Wi-Fi with Optical Flow version as well. Here's everything that comes included in the box. It comes with a user manual, 4 propeller guards, 2 extra propellers, 1 miniature Phillips head screwdriver, and a mini USB cable for charging the battery. The drone, as you can see right away, is a toy grade quality, and even though you can fly it outdoors, it would have to be on a very sunny day with no wind whatsoever, or else it will just drift on you, as it doesn't have GPS to help maintain a steady position. Now when flying indoors, it's very stable and pretty much cooperative. So let me go ahead and fold it so you guys can get a better look at it. As I mentioned before, this is the 1080p HD version, so it records in 1920 by 1080p pixels at a frame rate of 20 frames per second, and it takes photos at the same resolution, which is okay for a toy drone in this class. Now the other 2 versions record video at 2048 by 1080p and photos in 4096 by 3072 resolution, but again, don't expect to get super high quality images out of it. It's more for indoor flying and, having fun with the kids, or just for those who want to practice and learn how to fly for the first time. The camera can be tilted up and down manually, as you can see. On the front it has 2 bright LED lights, and on the back it has another LED light indicator. The motors are of course brushed motors, which are expected for a toy grade drone. Now on the bottom it has an optical flow camera lens for altitude hold positioning, and a small antenna for the transmission feed. On the back is the battery, which you remove like so. And the battery itself is a 3.7 volt, 1200 milliamp, which is supposed to give you a flight time of around 15 minutes. But as we all know, some of these manufacturers tend to exaggerate this a bit. So in reality, you'll probably get more around 12 to 13 minutes. The controller is pretty much identical as the one that comes with the Sg108, minus a few differences in the button setup and battery. Unlike the Sg108, which has an internal battery, this one does require 2 AAA batteries. To turn it on, you do so by unfolding the right-sided handle like this. The antennas are non-active and are just for looks, but as with many of these toy drones in the market, it does have an internal antenna inside of it. As far as transmission range goes, it is advertised as having a max remote range of 150 meters and an image transmission range of 80 meters. The sticks are spring-loaded, but they do feel a bit plasticky. Let's browse through these buttons real quick. Right here you have the takeoff and landing. This one is the emergency stop button, and these are the photo and video buttons. On the top right are the 3D flip and headless mode buttons. And on the left are the return to home and speed control buttons. To turn on the drone, you just press the button for 2 seconds until you see the front and back lights blinking. To calibrate the drone's gyroscopes, slide both joysticks inward like this. Once it's calibrated, the 2 frontal lights will stop blinking. To manually arm the motors, you slide both joysticks down and out. To connect to the app, first make sure that you allow all app permissions on your phone. Now open your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. You can now open the ZLRC app. Now let's go real quick through the app. On the top right is the menu button, and here you can choose from headless mode, camera switch for the optical flow camera, virtual reality mode for goggles, waypoints, palm control, filters, 50 times zoom, and the AR mode. Moving down, we have the speed control icon, the camera button, the video button, flight mode or master mode. In the middle, we have the emergency stop button. This is the takeoff and landing, your photo album, the MV icon, and this is the perspective conversion button. And this is the rocker mode for controlling the drone via your phone using the app. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. If you liked this video, add a like to it, and please feel free to subscribe to the channel as well. Just don't forget to hit that notify bell so that you'll be notified every time I do upload a video in the future. Alright, see you guys in the next one.